So it comes with a dead cat sock mount to block out the wind noise. So there it is. It also comes with this plush foam mount to block out more wind. And then it comes with, of course, the actual unit itself. So with this unit, it runs a AAA. I actually taped mine closed because this is one of the flaws with the microphone, is it has this plastic piece. I don't know if you can hear that. It makes noises, and so that's one of the flaws in the microphone build. For what it is, it's actually a nice microphone. Takes a AAA battery, turns on like that. For what it is, it's actually a nice microphone, a 3.5mm jack. So most cameras should take this, and then yeah, so we'll put on this piece, so that goes on, and I usually run it with the dead cat. Kind of just gotta handle it over it. It is a tight fit. It actually fits really nice. Make sure that it's completely covered, or else you will get wind noise. The reason I chose this microphone over a Takstar microphone is because it actually has these rubberized mounts. So when the camera's shaking, it actually is pliable, so it doesn't make quite as much noise. So this is the reason I got this microphone. So let's jump right into a test of with the microphone and without the microphone. So here's the test without the microphone, and as you can tell, it's really pitchy and it doesn't really have any bass to it. Okay, so here's the sound of the Opteka VM-8. As you can tell, it's a little bit more bassy. I'll shake the camera around a little bit. It doesn't really have much sound to it. Kind of drowns out most of the sound. This is also a sound clip from speaking behind the camera. I like this microphone because it's cheap, it's effective, and also it is stabilizing, so you don't get most of the camera noise. So the good thing about this microphone is price point. Definitely, it's $19.95 on Amazon. You can afford to, or at least I can afford to, if in case of this microphone breaking, I can afford to fix it. So rather with like a Rode mic, they're actually really pricey depending on which one you get. So I'm just starting out with this microphone. I might upgrade later, but I definitely want to mess around with this microphone and the microphone settings. So this is a great microphone for starters, and it's a great microphone for the Sony Vixia, particularly because it's the onboard microphone on the Vixia actually really doesn't do a good job of drowning out any of the wind. Any wind comes through the microphone on the Vixia, and it makes a really loud noise. So there you have it. There's my review on the Opteka VM-9. I hope you guys enjoy watching. The next video I'm actually going to do a video on the lens that is actually on this, because I have a Vivitar lens kit for the Vixia, and that's the next review. So I hope you guys found this informative. Good luck with your purchase, and I'll see you guys in the next video.